welcome to another video. Welcome friends, family, and strangers. Today we're going to talk about some Scotch whiskey, Ardbeg. First off, I wanted to make sure all you guys know that we didn't go back for the happy hour, which was between 2 to 4. We got everything else done at LA Comic Con, and so we wanted to make sure that we got home early. So this was the beginning half of it.
Welcome to Planet Ardbeg. Today we will guide you through the interconnecting journey to Planet Ardbeg and its 3 stories.
Planet Ardbeg is a land of giant botanicals and even bigger beasts, where Copper City comes under attack from a monstrous creature, and a mystical desert carries echoes of distant powers.
Traversing this triptych of fantastical tales is the Quantum Distillery, whose journey through time and space, gathering ingredients and inspiration to concoct the ultimate drink.
Yeah, you go first.
Quantum Distillery, with 3 distinct stories representing Ardbeg's 3 flavor expressions.
Welcome to the tale of the Guardians of O. Voyage of discovery awaits, and O is a smoky, sweet, and singularly rounded dram mix of time spent in Ardbeg's oak gathering vat. The bespoke vat is where whiskeys from several cask types mingle and familiarize themselves with each other. Now, as part of our journey together, our traveling animators will sit and draw for you your very own comic book character. They have a few questions to ask once you get up there, and they will draw. So please enjoy the room, connect with an artist, take some pictures, tag us on Instagram at Ardbeg_USA, hashtag Planet Ardbeg.
Thank
Enjoy.
you. I'll do it like that. Wow.
Cool thing about this room is actually the comic style of everything. The whole tent had this Comic-Con vibe to it. And the gentleman here is a very good artist. We didn't get a chance to film the drawing that he did for us, but what he did draw was a Futurama style bender, modified. Yeah, of course, he looked like he was ready to do some assassination, smoking a cigar at the same time.
This presentation is going to be smoky and spicy and fiery. It's only been aged for 5 years, so it is not tamed by the barrel yet. So this is the big boy, monster of a dram. So over here, what we're doing, what Joe's talking about, is it's our spice market. So these are some of the senses, the scents and flavor expressions that we've found in them. The little bag that he's going to hand you is a mix of what we have found in it before, and I encourage you to sniff it. Everything that's broken down to walk you through what the other ingredients are, because everyone kind of picks up different stuff. Whiskey's an adventure for your senses, so everyone tastes different things. Between 4 and 6 at the happy hour, this is a tease, you can actually try it. So smell it, taste these individual ingredients. There's some unique stuff that every single one of us has gotten different stuff from this whiskey because it's so intensely spicy. So play around, enjoy.
Alright, this is the room that I actually picked for the bottle because the rest of them are actually quite expensive and I didn't want to spend too much. I got the 5-year, which is this room, the Wee Beastie.
Gentlemen?
Hello, sir.
Oh, yeah. I want you to take that with you. Oh, there you go, Jaded Press. Go ahead, take that with you. Let that rejuvenate you as you walk through the hall. Then you can come back at 4 o'clock and join us and get the feel for the Ardbeg. The nose starts off with the peppercorn and the smoke, and then the mouthfeel is cocoa and chocolate and the creosote, and then it finishes smoked meats and brine. Just makes it the rawest, smokiest Ardbeg we have. So it's a lot of fun. Come back and join us.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
This room is all about Ardbeg. It's 10 years old.
One of the smokiest, peatiest, most complex single malts.
But it doesn't really flaunt the peat. It really gives way to the natural sweetness of the malt to create a whiskey of perfect balance.
Thank you.
So you just met Wee Beastie. You got a nice smell. And over here we actually have a tasting table for you to check out some of the different elements and expressions within Ardbeg 10 years old.
The most wonderful elements of Ardbeg. So on the nose, we're going to start with a little bit of that dark chocolate. You might get some peat infused with lemon and lime. You'll also get some menthol and pepper, a little bit of graphite, some tarry rope, also smoked fish and crispy bacon. And then on the taste itself, you get a peaty, briny punch of tangy lemon and lime. You get pepper, cinnamon sliced toffee, bananas, currants, espresso, tarry smoke. And then on the finish is going to be a nice, long, smoky, tarry espresso. You're going to get some toasted almonds. You're going to get some fresh pear and a little bit of soft barley.
What can we help you with to wake up your business?
Like some currants,
Yes.
an espresso bean, and some chocolate.
Wonderful. And for you?
Basically the same, but let me try with the banana.
With banana?
Yeah.
Perfect. So everything but almonds for you, right? And take that, everything but almonds, and then we'll have some. And you said espresso beans also?
Yes, please.
Wonderful. And in case you were wondering, the 10 is matured in ex-bourbon American oak casks. It has 46% alcohol.
Thank you very much.
Head over to my
Thank
faculty.
you.
I honestly think this is probably one of the best presentations for a whiskey. All the flavors and scents and the tastings seemed all very genuine for their company. And I can't wait to try the bottle. And we got ourselves the 5-year bottle, which is the Wee Beastie. I did make a mistake about the timing earlier. It is from 4 to 6. Unfortunately, I'm pretty sure they already packed up and left. It was one of the things I kind of regret missing, but I did pick up a bottle and we're going to test it right now. Hey guys, how's it going? So like I said, I picked up the 5-year aged bottle, which was about $65, $70. It's great Scotch whiskey, that's for sure. Here's a little thing that says in the front of the bottle. A monster of a dream. Young and intensely smoky, with a rich, explosive mouthful of chocolate, tar, and savory meats. Cracked black pepper and sappy pine resin on the snout. It's a 47.4 alcohol by volume. Oof. There we go. The bottle was very nice looking. Very elegant, I would say. I like the red plastic covering on the top. Anywho, just wanted to finish off with a nice little tasting before we move on to our next video. Very strong, actually. This is not for a lightweight person. For a 47, at 47.4 ABV, that's pretty strong. Definitely that chocolate taste right in the beginning. The finish is all smoke. A little bit of a burn in the throat. But I would have to say, I like it neat. But I would have to say, if anyone wants to try this, try it with some on the rocks or a little bit watered down. Other than that, guys, I would just like to say thank you for stopping by. This event was only for LA Comic-Con, so hopefully they do a little bit more of their rounds. And yeah, give it a try. We'll see you guys around in the next video.